On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. Okay, so here we have our green beans, or our French beans. I'm going to actually blanch them. I have some water boiling behind me, and I'm just going to blanch them for maybe 5 minutes or so, just to take the rawness out of them. So we'll just put those in there and let them cook for a little bit. So then we'll finish making our dressing while those are blanching. So let's go back over here. So we have our chilies and our garlic, and then we're going to add in our fish sauce and our sugar and our lime juice, sorry. So here's the fish sauce that we talked about before. Okay, and here's our fish sauce. We're going to add up to 2 tablespoons. I'm going to start with 1.5 because, as I said before, this is very, very strong. And we can add some more in later, but with stuff like this, I usually add a little bit under what the recipe says, and then I adjust it later on. So that's what I'm going to do. The next thing we're going to do are the limes. So we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So again, I'm going to cut my limes